Hello, my name is Paige, and I have two images here for my organization's website, one for the US and one for India. The picture on top shows a group of happy American children, and the picture on the bottom shows a group of happy Indian children holding various animals. The picture of the American children shows children from different racial backgrounds. This image creates the thought that a well-rounded childhood promotes racial ethnic equality. These images create a comprehensive tool for those seeking to improve the lives of children. With this understanding of the need to improve the lives of children, the children will receive the care that they need to become healthy, engaged members of society. This is part of concrete indication of how a child's well-being facilitates equal opportunities among diverse children in the U.S. Symbiotic is defined as a tradition that explores the signs and symbols as a significant part of communication. According to Twenge and Crocker, emotional appeal is used to direct a viewer's emotions. This manipulates the viewer's emotions. As far as cultural familiarity, the types of clothing and accessories that the Indian children are wearing, this attire is part of their culture and is very different from the children in the American photo because they are from a different culture. We want to use the images that the target audience is going to be able to relate to. We used emotional appeal, cultural familiarity, and semiotics to help the target audiences be able to identify with the images that we have chosen.